Here's a comprehensive Linux command cheat sheet that covers essential commands for file manipulation, process management, networking, user administration, and system monitoring. Chmod 750. Basic Linux commands: command description, pwd print working directory, current directory path, ls list files in a directory, cd change directory, mdir create a new directory, mdir remove an empty directory, rm remove files or directories, cp copy files or directories, mv move / rename files or directories, touch create an empty file or update a file's timestamp, cat display the contents of a file, more view file contents one screen at a time, less similar to more, but allows backward navigation, head display the first few lines of a file, tail display the last few lines of a file, echo print text or variables to the screen, man view the manual for a command, clear the terminal screen, file permissions and ownership, command description, chmod change file permissions, each chmod 755 file, chown change file owner and group, e.g. chown user, group file, chgrp change group ownership of a file, amass display or set default file permissions format, r, read 4, w, write 2, x, execute 1, rwx, read, write, execute permissions for a file or directory. File compression and archiving, command description, tar archive files, e.g. tar czvf archive, /path/to/files, gzip compress files using gzip gunzip decompress, gz files, zip compress files into a.zip archive, unzip extract files from a.zip archive, text manipulation, command description, grep search for patterns in files, e.g. grep text file. txt, set stream editor for filtering and transforming text, doc pattern scanning and processing, language cut, remove sections from each line of file, sort lines of text files, unique report or omit repeated lines, tr translate or delete characters, e.g. cat file, trazaz, wc word, line, character, and byte count, diff compare files line by line, find search for files in a directory. Hierarchy process management, command description, ps display running processes, top display real-time system processes, top interactive process viewer, kill a process by id, kill 1234, kill all kill processes by name, ed. Kill all Firefox. Kill processes based on name or other attributes, bg resume. A stop job in the background, fg bring a background job to the foreground, nice set the priority of a process, nice change the priority of an already running process, no hup run a command, immune to hangups, jobs list active jobs, skill kill a graphical program by clicking on it, user and group management command. Description, user add a new user del delete a user mod modify a user account, password change a user's password, group add a new group del delete a groups display groups, a user is a member of who is logged into the system, w display active users and their actions, switch user, substitute user, sudo execute a command as another user. Usually root ID, show user ID and group information, networking command description, ping send ICMP echo request to test network connectivity, if config display or configure network interfaces, IP advanced network, interface management tool, netstat network statistics and active connections, traceroute, display the route packets take to a network host and lookup query DNS servers, dig perform DNS lookups, curl, transfer data from or to a server, e.g. curl http:// example. Get download files from the web, SCP securely copy files between hosts, SSH secure shell to access remote machines, FTP file transfer protocol for transferring files, iptables manage firewall rules, hostname show or set the system's hostname, disk usage and file system, command description, df display free disk space, do estimate file space usage, do sh/directory, mount a file system, mount/dev/sd1/mnt, unmount a file system, fsck file system consistency check, mkfs create a file system, parted manage disk partitions, lsblk list information about block devices, bulkit get information about block devices, tune2fs adjust file system parameters on ext2/x3/x4 file system monitoring, command description, uptime show how long the system has been running free, display memory usage, vemstat report virtual memory statistics, iostat CPU and input output statistics, mstat CPU usage by processor, sar collect report or save system activity information, dmesk print kernel ring buffer messages. Useful for debugging hardware issues. Soft list open files, iotop display IO usage by processes, trace system calls and signals, lshw list hardware configuration information, lspsi list PCI devices, lsusp list USB devices, unnamed display system information, unma for all details. Package management, Debian/Ubuntu. Command description, apt-get install a package, apt-get remove a package, apt-get update package list, apt-get upgrade all packages, dpk I packaged deb install a package from a deb file, red hat/CentOS, command description, yum install a package, yum remove a package, yum update all installed packages, rpm, ivh package, rpm install a package from in.rpm file system permission, symbol description, r read permission 4, w write permission 2, x execute permission 1, no permission example, chmod 755 file, sets rwx rx permissions, owner can read, write, execute, group and others can read, execute, chmod 644 file, sets rwr, permissions, owner can read, write, others can only read. System information, command description, unnamed display kernel information, uptime show system uptime, hostname display or set the system hostname, huami display current username, date display or set the system date, cal display a calendar, df, h display free disk space in human readable form, h display the total disk usage of a directory, top display system processes, top interactive process viewer. This Linux command cheat sheet provides an extensive overview of commands you'll need for daily system administration, development, and networking tasks.